This video will show you how to search for late starting classes at Victor Valley College. So you will begin by going to our homepage, vvc.edu, and then click on the student menu. You'll scroll down to the right where it says related links and click on view course offerings, this one here. In this area, you will click on advanced search. And just for your reference, I'll show you how to use advanced search. So normally before the beginning of a semester, you can search for classes by putting in the term. Right now we're in spring 2020, and then entering in the classes that you're looking for. For example, I'll put in Biology 100. And then click search. The course that you're looking for will come up, and then you click on available sections and it will show you all of the different days and times where we're offering these classes. Spring 2020 started on February 18th, and so these classes that you're looking at here, they started at that time, but now we're on March 2nd, we're already in the third week of the semester, so it's too late to join these classes. So this video is going to show you how to find classes after the semester has already begun. So if you go back to the advanced search area, what you'll do to find a late starting class is you'll leave the term blank. So don't enter anything here. And then you're going to put the date where you want to start searching for classes. So today is March 2nd. So I want to find any classes that start on or after today and end by the last day of the semester, which for this semester is going to be June 13th. I can put in courses here, but it will take a long time because I might put in many courses that don't have a late start. So a simpler way to search is by another piece of information, which is the location. So down here, I can click on classes that are on campus, hybrid, online, for example. So if I go ahead and click on main campus classes and then hit search, it's going to come up with a list of classes that meet between this date range and are on campus. So I can look at the classes and I can see that they're going to start later, and that gives me information to decide if I want to sign up for that class or not. But I might find a class, for example, that doesn't have any space. So let me try to find one and see if it's a good example. Oh. This one, for example, it starts on April 20th. It still has seats available. So if that was a class I was interested in, I can then go and register for that class. I'd log in and register for that class. But let's say it was showing me a lot of classes that are late starting and on campus, but it says seats 0. It says that they're full. Then another way that I can filter is by clicking on open sections only, and then it will show me only the classes that actually have seats available. So when I'm looking at these classes now, I can see that they do have seats available, right? And I can see that they start later. As long as the class hasn't begun yet, I can go ahead and register for those classes if they have space, or if it's full, I can put myself on the wait list. What you can also do is you can change these other features, or I'm sorry, these other filters. So let's say I want to not just see main campus classes, I also want to see online courses that still have space. I can filter it down that way and just kind of narrow my search. So here I'm including not just main campus, but also online courses. If I want only to see the online courses, I can take away this filter, and then it will show me just the online courses that are still open, right? So I'll see that this is an online course, when it begins, and how many seats are still available. So please use the advanced search when searching for classes, and use these filters to kind of change it up and see what's available. Okay, I hope this has helped you, and please look at our other videos so they can help you with some of the other processes at VVC. Thank you and have a great day.